The revolutionary collaboration. Dr. Nicolas and Vitalik Buterin. Introduction to the visionaries. Dr. Nicolas Kokkalis. Contributions to Pi network and blockchain innovation. Vitalik Buterin. Background. As the founder of Ethereum and pioneer of decentralized finance, DeFi. Shared vision for empowering individuals through decentralized banking. The genesis of Pi Bank. How the collaboration began. Overview of Ethereum's blockchain as the foundation for Pi Bank. Role of PiOS license from CT in legitimizing and securing the project. What is Pi Bank? Defining decentralized banking. Comparison with traditional banks. Pi Bank's core functionality, account, management, asset transfers, transaction history, and smart contracts. Luxury project status in the Pi ecosystem. Explanation of the luxury project title. Connection to the Pi network ecosystem's broader goals. Technological foundation of Pi Bank. Ethereum blockchain and its role. Why Ethereum was chosen. Benefits of Ethereum's smart contract. Capabilities for Pi Bank. Integration with the Pi network. The interoperability between Ethereum and Pi. Use of PiOS, Pi open source license, to maintain security and transparency. Smart contracts at work. Overview of secure and transparent. Transactions using smart contracts. Example of a typical transaction on Pi Bank. Features of Pi Bank. Account creation and management. Steps to create and manage a Pi Bank account. Deposits and withdrawals. Supported assets, including Pi and Ethereum-based tokens. Secure storage solutions and withdrawal processes. Asset transfers. How users can transfer assets seamlessly. Use cases. Peer-to-peer transfers, business transactions, global remittances, transaction history and analytics, transparency in tracking balances and past transactions, tools for asset management and financial planning, the value of Pi and its impact on the ecosystem, global consensus value, GCV, what GCV means and why Pi's value is projected to be high, the role of high-value Pi in empowering pioneers, economic freedom through decentralized banking, how Pi Bank democratizes financial access, potential to replace traditional banks, a sustainable financial model, how the high transaction volume on the Pi network supports Pi's long-term stability, benefits to the GCV community, empowering pioneers, financial independence for Pi users, case studies of potential Pi Bank users, managing their assets, trust through transparency, elimination of intermediaries and hidden fees, security of funds and data on the blockchain, ease of global transactions, cross-border payments without traditional banking hurdles, challenges and solutions, adoption barriers, public understanding of decentralized banking, solutions through education and community support, regulatory concerns, how Pi Bank complies with global regulations, ensuring the Pi network ecosystem aligns with ISO 2022 standards, scalability and security, addressing potential network congestion on Ethereum, strategies for robust security using PiOS, comparing Pi Bank to traditional banks, advantages over traditional banks, lower fees, higher transparency, global accessibility, no dependency on central authorities, the end of traditional banking, predictions for the future of finance, how Pi Bank could reshape global banking systems, the future of Pi Bank and the GCV community, scaling the project, plans for expansion within the Pi network ecosystem, potential collaborations with other blockchain projects, broader implications, impact on global finance, especially in developing nations, role in fostering financial inclusion and stability, vision for 2024 and beyond, milestones for Pi Bank, vision of financial freedom for all pioneers, summarizing the revolutionary impact of Pi Bank, final thoughts on the future of decentralized banking and the Pi network ecosystem. What is Pi Bank? 1. Introduction to Pi Bank and its vision. Overview of Pi Bank. Decentralized banking system. Created by Dr. Nicolas and Vitalik Buterin. Its role in the Pi network ecosystem. Vision. Making banking accessible, affordable, and transparent globally. Global context. The limitations of traditional banking systems. How Pi Bank addresses these issues using blockchain technology. 2. Technical infrastructure. Blockchain technology integration. Pi Bank's foundation on the Ethereum blockchain, smart contracts, enabling decentralized operations, automated lending and borrowing, Compatibility with ISO 2022, standards for seamless global payments. Security measures, multi-layer encryption protocols, decentralized identity verification for secure account management. Scalability, sharding and layer 2 solutions for handling high transaction volumes. Pi Bank's approach to ensuring low transaction fees and fast processing times. Synergy with Pi Network. How Pi Bank supports Pi Network's stablecoin ecosystem. Role in facilitating peer-to-peer P2P transactions. Utility of PI Coin. PI as the native currency for Pi Bank transactions. Rewards for users who hold and transact with PI through Pi Bank. Cross-chain compatibility. Interoperability with other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Use cases for global remittances and cross-border commerce. 4 user benefits and features. Decentralized banking features. Zero-cost account creation. Transparent loan and savings mechanisms without intermediaries. Access to DeFi tools for earning interest or borrowing. Accessibility and inclusivity. Mobile-friendly interface tailored for unbanked populations. Multilingual support to cater to a global audience. Trust and transparency. Open ledger for real-time transaction monitoring. Built-in audit systems to ensure compliance with global standards. Accessibility and inclusivity. Mobile-friendly interface tailored for unbanked populations. Multilingual support to cater to a global audience. Trust and transparency. Open ledger for real-time transaction monitoring. Built-in audit systems to ensure compliance with global standards. Case examples. Stories of users leveraging Pi Bank for entrepreneurship, personal finance, and cross-border trade. 5. Regulatory challenges and solutions. Challenges faced. Navigating international financial regulations, addressing concerns around money laundering and fraud. Solutions proposed. Compliance with anti-money laundering, AML, and KNOW. Your customer, KYC standards. Partnerships with regulators and financial institutions. 6. Role in global decentralized banking. Financial inclusion. Bridging the gap for the unbanked population. Enabling microtransactions and affordable credit access. Decentralized economic model. Reducing reliance on central banks and traditional systems. Promoting user empowerment through financial autonomy. Impact on emerging markets. Case studies from Africa, Asia, and South America. Economic growth driven by decentralized financial access. 7. Future of Pi Bank. Innovations in development. Introduction of decentralized insurance and investment products. Expansion into real-world asset tokenization, e.g., real estate commodities. Scaling the ecosystem. Partnerships with fintech startups and global institutions. Driving adoption through education and community engagement. 8. Conclusion. Summary. Recap of Pi Bank's features, benefits, and impact. Call to action. Encouraging viewers to explore Pi Bank and join the Pi Network ecosystem. Highlighting the role of decentralized systems in shaping the future of finance. The future of Pi Bank appears to be a groundbreaking step in the evolution of decentralized finance, DeFi. It is likely to redefine traditional banking systems, particularly in the following ways. 1. Integration with the Pi Network ecosystem. Pi Bank is uniquely positioned to integrate creating a seamless financial environment. This integration could make Pi Bank the primary financial intermediary for Pi Network users, facilitating decentralized lending, borrowing, and savings using Pi coins. 2. Decentralized banking revolution. Pi Bank could set a precedent for decentralized banking systems, offering services similar to traditional banks but without intermediaries. By leveraging blockchain technology, Pi Bank might provide faster, more secure, and transparent services globally, ensuring financial inclusion for unbanked populations. 3. Smart contracts for banking. Smart contract implementation could automate key banking functions, such as loan approvals, interest payments, and dispute resolutions. This automation reduces operational costs and increases trust through transparency. 4. Cross-border payment system. With a global user base, Pi Bank could become a central player in international payments. If aligned with ISO 2022 standards, it could serve as a key infrastructure for cross-border trade and high-value transactions, reducing the dependency on fiat currencies. 5. Tokenized assets and investments. Pi Bank might tokenize assets such as real estate, stocks, and commodities, allowing users to trade or invest in fractional ownership. directly within the ecosystem. This would democratize investment opportunities and enhance liquidity in various asset classes. 6. Stablecoin integration. Pi Bank could potentially introduce a stablecoin pegged to Pi or other fiat currencies, enabling stable transactions while maintaining a decentralized ethos. This would be ideal for merchants and users requiring price stability. 7. Challenges and innovations. To secure its future, Pi Bank will need to address regulatory compliance navigating varying regulations across jurisdictions to maintain global operations. Scalability, ensuring the blockchain infrastructure can handle massive transaction volumes. Security, protecting against cyber attacks and ensuring user data privacy. These challenges also present opportunities for innovation, such as zero knowledge, proofs for privacy, and Layer 2, solutions for scalability. 8. Collaborative growth. Collaboration with other blockchain ecosystems, like Ethereum, as evidenced by co-creation with Vitalik Buterin, hints at interoperability. Pi Bank could be pivotal in uniting fragmented DeFi systems into a cohesive network, benefiting the entire blockchain space. Long-term vision. If successful, Pi Bank might evolve into a full-fledged, decentralized financial institution, offering services ranging from microfinance to wealth management. Its community-driven governance model could inspire similar projects, solidifying its place as a cornerstone of the decentralized economy for decades to come. Pi Bank, a revolutionary global payment system with Pi coin at $314,159 USD. Revolutionary concept of Pi Bank exploring its operation. As a decentralized banking system, the rationale behind the high valuation of Pi coin at $314,159 USD and its potential impact on the global economy. 1. Introduction. Pi Bank represents the next evolution in global finance, created by Dr. Nicolas Kokkalis and Vitalik Buterin. By leveraging the Ethereum blockchain, Pi Bank combines the security of decentralized finance, DeFi, with the practicality of everyday banking. It functions as the central hub for transactions using Pi coin, a cryptocurrency designed to operate seamlessly in a peer-to-peer, P2P, system. Pi coin's projected valuation of $314,159 USD underpins its potential to rival global fiat currencies as a stable, high-value digital asset capable of facilitating transactions across borders and industries. This paper examines how Pi Bank leverages this valuation to redefine banking, promote financial inclusivity, and address economic inefficiencies. 2. What is Pi Bank? Decentralized banking. Pi Bank eliminates the need for traditional intermediaries like commercial banks. Built on blockchain technology, it enables individuals to manage their finances directly and securely. Key features include smart contracts, automated, transparent agreements that ensure fair and tamper-proof transactions, distributed ledger technology, decentralized database ensures transparency and reliability, services offered, decentralized lending and borrowing. Users can access credit or lend assets without third-party interference, savings and investments. Pi Bank provides interest-bearing accounts backed by Pi coin, cross-border transactions instant, low-cost international payments redefine global commerce, commodity settlements compliant with ISO 2022 standards, facilitating global trade in high-value goods like oil and gold, microfinance and remittances, empowering underbanked populations with tools for economic growth, integration with Pi network ecosystem. Pi Bank acts as the backbone of the broader Pi network, ensuring scalability and accessibility while maintaining low transaction costs. 3. Pi coin is the foundation of Pi Bank. The unique role of Pi coin. Pi coin is designed as a high-value cryptocurrency. Its valuation of $314,159 USD supports large-scale financial settlements and functions effectively as a reserve currency. Why $314,159 USD? Economic rationale. High valuation reduces the volume of tokens needed for transactions, enabling efficient large-scale settlements. Mathematical significance. The number reflects Pi's connection to universal constants, symbolizing stability and unity, utility and value. Global transactions. Picoin's valuation simplifies high-value trade, e.g., a $10 million transaction requires just 32 coins. Reserve asset, like gold, Picoin serves as a hedge against inflation and fiat volatility, incentivizing adoption. High value ensures credibility and long-term economic impact. 4. The mechanics of Pi Bank's global payment system. P2P transactions. Pi Bank leverages smart contracts and blockchain to provide instant, trustless payments between individuals or businesses. DApp ecosystem. Decentralized applications allow users to manage finances, access credit, and trade commodities, all within the Pi Bank ecosystem. Integration with traditional banking. Pi Bank bridges the gap between crypto and fiat systems. By partnering with existing banks, users can seamlessly convert Pi coin to local currencies or make payments through compatible channels. Case studies. Cross-border payments. An exporter in India uses Pi Bank to settle a $1 million transaction with a buyer in Germany within minutes. Microfinance. A farmer in Africa secures a microloan in Pi coin, enabling the purchase of essential supplies. 5. Economic impacts of 314,159 Pi coin valuation. Global trade and payment systems. Pi coin simplifies and decentralizes trade, reducing reliance on systems like SWIFT. Lower transaction costs, saves billions annually in fees. Speed and efficiency. Instant settlements. Reduce working capital requirements. Economic inclusion. Developing nations benefit significantly. Access to credit. Individuals and SMEs can secure loans without traditional banking barriers. Reduced remittance costs. Migrant. Workers send money home with minimal fees. Inflation and fiat stability. Picoin serves as a stabilizing force by acting as a reserve currency. Its adoption reduces dependency on inflation-prone fiat systems. 6. Challenges and limitations. Adoption hurdles. Lack of trust in cryptocurrencies. Need for education and infrastructure. Development. Regulatory challenges. Pi Bank must navigate complex global cryptocurrency laws and ensure compliance while maintaining decentralization. Security concerns. Hacking risks robust. Security measures like multi-signature. Wallets are critical. Privacy issues balancing. Transparency with user confidentiality. 7. Case study. Pi Bank in action. Scenario 1. A farmer's journey. A farmer in Kenya uses Pi Bank to access a microloan. The loan enables the purchase of seeds, resulting in a bountiful harvest and increased income. Scenario 2. Corporate settlements. A multinational corporation utilizes Pi Bank for payroll and supplier payments, reducing costs by 30%. Scenario 3. Economic transformation. A small country adopts Picoin as legal tender, reducing reliance on volatile fiat currencies and boosting economic stability. 8. Future outlook. Sustainability of Picoin valuation. Long-term valuation driven by adoption, utility, and economic integration. Role in creating a new financial order. Expansion into AI and fintech. Pi Bank can leverage AI to offer personalized financial services, enhancing user experience. Vision for the next 100 years. Picoin becomes a cornerstone of global finance, promoting stability and inclusivity for future generations. 9. Conclusion. Pi Bank and Picoin represent a paradigm shift in global finance. By offering decentralized banking and a high-value currency, they enable a more inclusive and efficient economy. The 314,159 valuation of Picoin symbolizes not just its potential, but the promise of a stable, decentralized financial future. Call to action. The world must embrace innovative solutions like Pi Bank to achieve true economic equity and sustainability. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the fascinating world of Feng Shui and its transformative power. At DIY Feng Shui channel, our mission is to provide you with practical tools, deep insights, and empowering stories to help you create harmony and balance in your life. Whether it's improving your home's energy flow, achieving career breakthroughs, or enhancing relationships, Feng Shui offers solutions rooted in centuries of wisdom. Through our videos, we aim to simplify complex principles, making them accessible and actionable. We believe that everyone can take charge of their environment, and destiny, one adjustment at a time. Your journey to a more fulfilling life starts with curiosity and the courage to make small but meaningful changes. Stay tuned as we continue to share expert tips, real-life case studies, and rituals that unlock potential and resolve challenges. Remember, your space reflects your life, and by aligning your surroundings, you can align with your goals and dreams. Thank you for being part of the DIY Feng Shui community. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more transformative insights. Together, let's design a life of abundance and joy. Warm wishes. DIY Feng Shui.